Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into a captivating term that belongs to the world of chemical sciences. It is an inorganic compound commonly used in medicine as an antacid or laxative. Well, how do we say its name correctly? We may pronounce it as magnesium hydroxide. Magnesium hydroxide. Mag. Ni. C. High. Drox. Side. Magnesium hydroxide. It is widely known for its ability to neutralize stomach acid, but excessive use may lead to digestive issues. You can check out other videos for more. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and share more words you'd like us to pronounce in the comments below. See you next time.